Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'll show you how to find your YouTube channel URL link, whether you're on a computer or a phone. It's super simple and takes less than a minute. Let's get started. First, go to youtube.com and log into your account. Now click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select your channel. Once you're on your channel page, look at the address bar at the top of your browser. That's your channel's URL. Click on Customize, scroll down, and it will look something like this. Or if you've set a custom URL, it might look like https www.youtube.com at your channel name. Just copy that link and you can now share it anywhere. Open the YouTube app and tap on your profile icon in the top right. Then tap your channel. Once your channel page opens, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Share. You'll now see your channel link. Tap Copy Link to save it and paste it wherever you want. Works on both iPhone and Android. If your channel has 100 plus subscribers and is at least 30 days old, you can claim a custom URL like youtube.com at your name. To check or set that up, go to YouTube Studio, then Customization, then Basic Info, and scroll down to Channel URL. And that's it. Now you know how to find your YouTube channel URL and copy it on any device. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more YouTube tips, and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and good luck growing your channel.